are not just weather events, they are direct clinical risks driving pre-eclampsia, stillbirth, and even fetal stress. But standard medical service is climate blind. I'm Josephine Were, CEO of MamaAir.Africa, and meet MamaAir mobile app that acts as a zero-cost daily adaptation guide for pregnant women and edge sensor capturing 40-week maternal telemetry.
Warning signs can need prompt medical attention. So these are the danger signs. So if I pick, I'm experiencing any of these danger signs like vaginal bleeding or severe abdominal pain, and then build today's plan. So the first thing, my air quality exposure has been updated. So currently it shows good, and this is updated in real time. So you can click on that drop down to view the details, and then you can click it to unview. And then in terms of symptoms, I already have 4 logged, and then 2 are warning signs. It already tells me that. So with 2 warning signs, I will need to visit a health facility. In terms of rest, I can pick, let's say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and I want to rest, that I want to use for rest time. In terms of attention needed, it will tell me these symptoms that I've reported are danger signs, and I need to visit a health facility. So these are how it looks like. And then if you scroll down, you'll see a plan. So every day we have 3 plans that as a mom I need to achieve. So one of them is on diet, drinking water, behavior, and then the other one is on mental health. And then we have other additionals that the mom can add. So you just tick and untick as they happen. On the other side, we have progress about week 14, what to expect, especially on the baby development stages. So it tells me the cardiovascular system, how far it has developed, the nervous system, and the skeletal system. So if I want to view the summary, I just click there, and it will tell me this summary of my progress and my baby's progress. I can still go back from here and just view. You see, like today it's telling me the air feels comfortable today, so got it. So we have this journey from week 1 all through to week 40, and currently I'm on week 14, which is the second trimester, and today is on a Thursday. So if I just want to view all the information that I've shown you, I just click here, and it automatically takes me to that page that I've talked through.